I got my first cell phone maybe 20 years ago, and it had all the trappings and shortcomings of a relatively new technology. But it did something pretty neat, which was to switch to the correct time zone when I traveled. Recently, I traveled with my current so-called smartphone, this one, from Boston to the Midwest. I always have my cell phone on me, such that I seldom wear a watch anymore. That's too bad, because this smartphone here doesn't switch to local time. And on more than one occasion, I have misset the wake-up alarm on the phone, as I have given up trying to figure out most hotel alarm clocks. But at least they give you the correct local time. Now, this all got me thinking about how technology is developed and what it is IT departments do, right? They develop applications for the company's users and deploy and maintain them. But how often and how rigorously does IT work with users once the technology is deployed to see how it can be improved? What kind of formalized feedback of an application's efficacy does IT establish? Is there any after the initial deployment? In many cases, the answer is no. There is just grumbling about applications being underused. To make technology work, to really make it matter, it has to be user-friendly in every sense of that time-worn phrase. Doing so can only result from an intimate relationship between IT and the end users, both before and after the fact of deployment. Is that what happens in your organization? Well, that's it from me, because I have another appointment now, at least I think I do. I'm Bill Liberis, and thanks for joining me for this Enterprise CIO Minute.